ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me, every day I will remind you. Oh, find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, yeah. You'll always have my shoulder when you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy butanding to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lala. We love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy birthday, Ate Carla.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Lala! Love you!
Happy birthday, Lala Banana. Happy birthday. We wish you more happiness, good health, and God bless you. Yun lang. Happy birthday. We love you. We love you. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Hi Lala! Happy birthday! Wish namin sa'yo, manalo ka sa Biggest Loser.
At sana, this time, matalo na kita sa way.
Good luck! Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Happy
Birthday! Ay,
to you!
Carla! Ano, na-surprise ka ba? Hindi.
Hindi
O,
masyado.
dito, masu-surprise ka. Jereng!
Jereng!
O, diba? Oy, joke lang. Happy birthday, Carla.
Happy
Yung
birthday.
baby mo wag magsiselo sa char-char lang to.
Glenn, happy birthday!
ano ba sasabihin? Happy birthday.
Brian, ano? Para yung pakyut mo dyan.
Dito mo na ako magsalita eh.
O basta yun
Surprise!
lang.
Papakita
Enjoy
mo
your
yung-
birthday, Carla. And stay as sweet as you are. Okay, pero mas sweet ito. Jeng!
Isa pa ulit, Jen!
Ayoko na. Oy,
Ayaw
tama
ilabas
na.
eh.
Nakakahiya. Oy, puling ha.
Ako
Atin-atin
rin.
lang yan. Specially made for Carla yan. Okay? Yun siya. Babush na po.
Bye.
Bye. I love you.
Birthday.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Ha?
Practice.
Practice ka dyan.
Practice pa. Ayoko na.
Send mo na kay Paula. Maikli lang kasi baka bumigat.
Hi Carla, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Carla! More birthdays, tsaka less weight.
Less weight. Pag uwi nyo, punta kayo dito.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Mag-dinner tayo. Happy birthday! More and more blessings for you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Lala! Happy birthday, Carla!
Happy birthday, Lala. Lala. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Kyla, I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. Wish ko sana matupad lahat ng mga gusto ng puso mo. Stay happy and stay in love. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Carla! We miss you. Bye-bye.
Carla, happy birthday! How are you? Say happy birthday to Tita Carla. Happy birthday, Tita Carla. Kamusta na? Kita-kits tayo ha, pag uwi niyo sa Pinas. Miss you too, Paula. Miss you, Carla. God bless, Tol. Happy birthday. Bye.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Carla!
Happy birthday! I miss you kahit hindi mo ako namimiss. Anyway, I hope you'll always stay happy and in love forever. Bye!
We've known each other for almost 23 years na, since 1990. And honestly, hindi ko akalain na magkakaroon tayo ng contact after high school. So, thank you dahil naaalala mo ko paminsan-minsan. Pasulput-sulput ka. Well, actually, nawawala ka lang naman kapag ka in a relationship ka. Anyways, I wish you happiness, not just for today, but for the rest of your life. Sana maging masaya ka sa lahat ng aspeto sa buhay mo. I'll keep this short dahil alam ko marami ka pang panonoodin na video greetings sa'yo. So, sana napasaya kita kahit pa paano sa greeting na to, ha? Happy birthday again. Imahula!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Carla. Ayan na, kinantahan na kita ha. Anyway, Carla, I know you're having fun tonight. I really miss you and Pao. And alam mo, though, you know, we have just spent little time when I was there sa UAE, but I will never forget that moment. I just want you to know that our friendship will always be cherished in my heart. I will never forget you. I, of course, want you to be happy. So I wish you more happiness and blessings to come. God bless you. I miss you, Carla and Pao. Happy birthday again to you, Carla. Bye-bye.
Hi, Lala. Happy birthday. We miss you. We love you. Happy birthday, Lala. Happy birthday. Hindi matatapos. Lala. Seryoso to. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lala. We love you. We miss you. Bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Lala, happy birthday. Miss you.
Hi, Lala. Kamusta ka na? Happy birthday. At mag-happy birthday din ang boyfriend ko, si Chowder. Say hi, Chowdy. Ang kulit. Hi, Chowdy. Ay, sus. Ay. Kulit. Ay, umitakpan. Bastos kang pusa ka. And anyway, ingat ka lagi and good health always. Happy birthday ulit. I miss you. Uwi ka dito. Text mo ako.
Hi Lala, happy birthday. I love you. Gusto ko lang ipaalam sa'yo na kung meron akong trusted friend, hindi ikaw yon. Si Janice yon. Kung meron akong best friend, hindi rin ikaw yon. Si Paula yon. Pero, ikaw yung loyal friend ko. I love you La. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Sana lagi kang maging masaya. I hope to see you soon. I miss you. Miss na kita. Bye!
Happy 35th birthday, Happy Carla. It was so good seeing you last year. Hope to see you again this summer in Paris. I love you. Take care and stay sexy like me. Mwah!
Ayan na, go!
Umpisa na? Baboy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lala!
Happy birthday!
I just want to thank you for being there for me after all these years. And you're not just a friend to me, you're my sister, my brother, my best friend, and thank you for that. You know that I love you so much, and that will be my promise to you forever.
Ako, kahit lagi naman kitang inaasar, love naman kita. Happy birthday!
Kinikilig yan! Happy birthday! We love you!
Baby ko, happy birthday! I love you po. Alam mo, gusto ko lagi kang happy. Kaya, dapat may birthday party ka. Lalo na 35 years old ka na po. I love you po. Mahal naman kita. Ingat ka po palagi. Lalo na hindi mo inaingatan yung health mo. Ha? Basta andito ha. Lagi para sa'yo. I love you. Bye-bye.